So overall, would I say this is brown girl friendly? Hey you guys, I'm back with a new video. My name is Kelsey. So in today's video, I want to show you a few things that I picked up from ULTA. So let's get straight into the video. I'm gonna start off with my face first. I feel like every time I do a pop-in eye look, I do my eyes first, and I just want to switch it up and do my face. Next, you already know the drill. I'm just gonna spray this on my face. So today I'll be using a new foundation, but it's like kind of not really new because I purchased the wrong shade a long time ago, but I never really wore it. So I went back and got the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation. And this is in the shade 334 Warm Sun. Okay. It looks pretty, okay. Just by the thickness and the way I applied it, I can tell that it's going to be super full coverage. Now I'm just going to blend one side with this Real Technique sponge first and just see how full coverage it is. I think the foundation is pretty nice for the most part. I feel like with just half a pump, that really gave me a lot of coverage and it's looking really flawless over here. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. So it's looking really good right now. I'm really loving how this foundation is looking. Next, I'm going to apply my ColourPop concealers. And look at these concealers, they look so raggedy. Like, I'm almost out of them, but I don't know if I want to buy it again, you know? I just want to try something different, something new. I'm just gonna let that concealer sit for a little bit just so it can be more pigmented when I blend it out. Whew, look how full coverage this concealer is. I don't know, it might be this sponge that's making this concealer blend out flawless. I feel like my concealer is looking better than usual. I don't know. And to cream contour, I don't want to use my ABH foundation stick because I want a more natural contour today. I'm going in with my MAC Studio Quick Trick stick in the shade Latte. When I want a more natural contour and I don't want anything too harsh, I always go for this stick. It's like so close to my skin complexion that I don't mind putting a lot on, you know. And plus, this is way creamier than the Anastasia foundation stick. My face looks super, I need a close up on this. This whole look right here is looking flawless. To set my concealed areas, of course, I'm going to use my Black Radiance Loose Powder. To set all these powders, I'm going to use my Sephora Micro Smooth. Just lightly apply this powder all over my face. I'm not going to speak too soon, okay? Not too soon. But I'm really feeling my makeup right now. You know what? I was going to use this Tarte bronzer to bronze, but I'm going to use the Sephora Micro Smooth powder again, but in the shade Deep. I really like using this bronzer just because it's really lightweight and it has a subtle tint to it. Taking a angled eyeshadow brush and going to set that cream contour. I always blend out my nose contour just because you don't want anyone to be clocking you on your nose contour. I'm going to fill in my eyebrows with the ColourPop brow pencil. So my next purchase was the Benefit Gimme Brow Gel. And I got this shade number 5. I first bought the shade number 4, but went home and saw that the box was empty. So I went back and got the shade number 5. So I'm just going to apply these on my brows and see what it does. I think I like this. I feel like it really tamed down my curly hair somehow. So we'll see how it looks by the end of the night. So I'm really excited for this next product. This is also something new that I purchased from ULTA. This is the Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette. This is what it looks like. I really like the theme of Nefertiti and the Egyptian style of the colors. And I bought this eyeshadow palette just because it has a lot of nice, warm, but neutral shades, as well as a few shimmers. And just by looking at the colors and shades, I could definitely wear this every day. So first, let me just zoom you all in on this look. I'm gonna go in first with this taupey shade right here and apply it on my crease. So next, I'm going to apply this chocolatey shade right here and apply it right on top. The brown is actually blending out really nice. Next, I'm going to apply this shimmery brown shade right here and apply it on my outer lid. You know what I just noticed? I'm using brown shades and I have zero fallout. At first, I was hesitant in applying a shimmery color on my crease area, but it's giving me some type of life right now. On my lid, I want to apply this burnt shimmery red shade that I feel like it's just going to make the eyes pop. Now I'm going to apply my liquid liner. Okay, liner is on, so I'm going to apply my Maybelline Colossal Lash Mascara. Next, I'm going to apply these lashes by Wink Lash Company. I got these when I went to Alabama and homecoming, and a vendor was selling lashes, and these are amazing. 4th time using these and they're still popping. So while my lashes dry, I'm going to finish off with the rest of my face. For blush, I'm just going to use my Anastasia one. Next, I'm going to apply my Dose of Colors Katie and Desi highlighter in Chasing the Sun. So now I'm going to apply my lashes. Okay, and now that the lashes are on and popping, I'm going to apply my NYX Suede, I think this is a lip pencil, but I'm going to use it as a eyeliner and line my eyes. Instead of brown, that was actually like a mauve pink liner, but I'm not mad at it. I'm going to go back in with this brown shade and blend that on my bottom lash line. So just because I just want to get over with, I'm going to spray my face with my Morphe Continuing Setting Mist. So this next product is going to be interesting to talk about because there's a lot of controversy behind this beauty brand and this person, and that is Kylie Cosmetics. So I purchased this today because I saw online that they were going to sell in stores for the first time, and so I went there just to see some of her lip products, and she has a lot of nice shades and lip glosses and whatnot. But while I was looking through the lipsticks and swatching it on my hand, there was a sales associate talking in the background saying that it's literally no different than the Anastasia liquid lipsticks. And I was like, not really what I want to hear while I'm looking through these liquid lipsticks, but okay. Basically what I got from what she was saying is that the lipsticks are mediocre. With all that, I still decided to purchase her lipsticks just to give it a try and test it out and see if it's woman of color worthy. So first I purchased this lip kit, and this is in the shade Exposed. And the directions on the back says, for the best result, fill in your lips with the lip liner, then top with the coat of matte liquid lipstick. So what I'm hoping and expecting from this liquid lipstick is that it's not too drying, but at the same time it's gonna be long wearing. So this is what it looks like out of the package. Just a lip liner and the liquid lipstick. But when I think of a liquid lipstick and a lip liner, I thought that it would be like maybe a shade darker to like even them both out, but it looks like it's the same shade as the liquid lipstick, so I hope that's not going to be, I don't know. So this is what it looks like with just the lip pencil on, and it's looking a little, actually very sickly on my lips. And I don't know if I want to put my ColourPop BFF3 on, just because I feel like putting this right on top is going to look like a hot mess. I don't know. I'm going to put this on first, and if I need to, I'm going to add BFF3. So one, we definitely need a brown pencil. So applying that brown pencil really was a struggle because the liquid lipstick dried almost immediately, which made it really hard for my lip liner to blend out. And right in the center of my lips, I can tell that it's crumbling a little bit, but I don't know if that's with the lip liner and the lipstick formula together is making it crumble. I don't know. So I'm just gonna give you all a close-up of how my lips are looking. So this is how my lips are looking, and if you can see, like, it's just not blending in with the rest of my lips, and honestly it just looks like a dry patchy mess. So the next Kylie Jenner product that I purchased was the lip gloss, and when I swatched this, it was really pretty. I'm not mad at the wand though, it's really nice. Now I'm kind of into it, even though I thought the formula was going to be a little more sheer, like how my ColourPop Makeup Shayla lip gloss is, how it has glitter pigments in it, but it's still creamy, soft, and sheer. This one is kind of like you can feel the glitter on your lips. It's just like a thick consistency that I'm not quite sure about. Let me take a little bit off. I feel as though that's 10 times better. You know, it looks okay, but still I feel like this is going to look a hot mess throughout the day just because it's thick and it's not like a silky texture at all. But one pro I would say about this glitter gloss is that I feel like this will be like the perfect glitter gloss to wear if you want to do something different for New Year's, to a Christmas party. But I'm still going to take this off because I just can't. And I'm going back in with my BFF3 and apply my Fenty Beauty Balm Gloss right on top. I'm gonna go back in and spray this Morphe setting spray. Okay, I am back. I just changed my hoodie, and on top of the Fenty gloss, I added this MAC lipstick in Midsummer Night, which gave it a really nice peachy look to it. So my thoughts about a few of the products. I absolutely love the Maybelline foundation. It's bomb. One thing that I can tell about this foundation is that it's slightly orange, but I feel like I can still get away with it. The reason why this makeup looks so good is because of this foundation. It looks perfect. I thought it was gonna be super dry like the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop, but this, I felt like it's also hydrated. It's a keeper. It's a keeper. For the Benefit Brow Gel, I really like it. I think that time will tell for this product and of how it looks on my eyebrows, but so far it looks really nice. For the Julia's Place eyeshadow palette, I absolutely love it. I highly recommend it for an everyday eyeshadow palette, especially for the fall season. I think this will be perfect for you. The eyeshadows blended perfectly, the browns, the shimmers, everything about this palette is just amazing. And lastly, for the Kylie Jenner lip kits, I feel like the matte formulas definitely need some work, but I feel like it's been out for so long that they should have been fixed it already. For the color, I really do like it, but the way it just blended with my lips and the lip liner, it just looked a hot mess. For the lip gloss, however, I would rate it a 6. I would rate it a good 6. Just because even though I feel like the formula and the glitteriness of it kind of turns me off, I really do like the shine and shimmer that it still has, and I feel like it'll be perfect for this holiday season. I really hope you learned something from this video and maybe help you out on your next trip to Ulta. Before leaving, make sure you are subscribed to my channel and don't forget to like this video. That is pretty much it for this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.